Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are going to make Mughlai chicken. It's a simple recipe and please come along with us and we'll show you how to do it. We have chopped 750 grams of boneless chicken and placed it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. We mix all these 3 ingredients together. We pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil and wait for it to get heated. Once the oil is heated, we drop in 3 medium-sized onions that we have grated. We continuously stir the onions until they are brown in color. Once the onions are brown in color, we add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We add the chicken along with the rest of the ingredients after it has been marinated for half an hour. Mix the chicken with the rest of the ingredients. Now we need to cook our chicken until they are white in color. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. We add 1 teaspoon of ordinary chili powder. We add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. We add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix all these ingredients on a medium flame. We add the puree made from 2 tomatoes. We need to stir the ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. To continuously stir the ingredients until the oil separates from the chicken. We need to take some cashew nuts and grind it into a paste. We add the cashew paste along with the chicken ingredients. Mix the ingredients together. Add 5 tablespoons of curd along with the rest of the ingredients. Mix the ingredients once again together. Continuously stir the ingredients for 2 minutes or until the oil separates from the chicken. We need to add 200 ml of water. Add 4 green chilies that is slit. Stir the ingredients once again. We need to cover a pan and cook the chicken on low flame for 10 minutes. Occasionally we need to open a pan and stir the chicken ingredients a bit. Now it's been 10 minutes and once we open the pan we find that our chicken is cooked. Next, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder we add to the ingredients. We add 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi leaves. Once again, we wait for the ingredients to cook for 2 minutes on low flame. We chop some coriander leaves and sprinkle it across the pan, which is the final ingredient. Mix all these ingredients once again together. Now a Mughlai chicken is ready to be served. This dish goes well with rice or chapatis and it's a very good combination. We hope you liked watching our videos and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. If you find our videos really useful as well as informative, please share it with your friends so that they could also subscribe to our channel as well as watch our videos too. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.